Yo guys, what's up, man? So you guys are about to watch an insane trade, one of the craziest trades that you will probably ever see. Because wait till you see what happens at the end, okay? So I'm in a $600,000 position that I win. I win $21,000. I shorted a coin that moved up 100% in 21 hours. That's crazy. Nobody would ever do that unless you had the skills of Philakone crypto. Not only did I win $21,000, but I took the profit at the very bottom before it spiked up 51% in literally 4 minutes. $130 million of that coin was bought right after I closed and it spiked up. If I didn't take my profit, I would have lost everything in my account. I would have lost $400,000, $500,000 in my Binance account, and I would have been 100% liquidated. But the reason I didn't is not because of luck. It's because of the skills obtained over 9 years of trading in the market that has allowed me to have the discipline to control my emotions and especially my greed. Now, a lot of amateur traders are gonna probably take that massive loss and get liquidated. But guys, I'm telling you, that's why you guys gotta enjoy this course. Sorry, enjoy the material, enjoy this narration of this live trade, and more importantly, you guys gotta sign up. I'm telling you, today's the last day for you to sign up. All right. So right now, my course, guys, you can get it for 60% off. Okay, it's just for my course and also for my advanced volatility indicator. I focus on over 3 hours on just the psychological component of managing your emotions. So it's 60% off, guys. Normally it's 650 bucks. And I go through everything, man, like the mental toughness, the discipline and consistency, ability to adapt in the market. It's only $250. And people are like, Philakone, if you make so much day trading, why do you still make a course? It's because, guys, my content is worth it. And if I value my work, you guys are going to value it as well. Nothing free is ever going to be really good. Not only that, people want to learn from me and I'm worth it. So enjoy this, guys. So just take a look, scroll down below over here. You guys are going to see everything here. You can pay by crypto. Just send me 250, then DM me on Twitter, or you can pay by card here. And this is the coin I'm talking about, guys. I took my profit right here when it dropped to the bottom, right here. And then it did some crazy shit. This coin is trading right now at literally, okay, this coin is literally trading at $1.5 billion right now, okay? And guess what, guys? I actually ended up cooling down my account after I traded this coin because of how scared. See, do you guys see this? Trade forbidden during forbidden due to cooling off period. I got so scared of the market after winning this trade that I exited the trade and I cooled down my account instantly when I saw that because of the fear. Sometimes you need to have the fear reminded so fucking firmly of what happens. So you got to cool down your account, take a step back and remind yourself of how scary the market can be. So this coin, as soon as I took my profit, it spiked up 51%, which is $130,000, which would have liquidated anybody. Leverage over 2%, 2x, you would have been wiped out. Not only that, guys, it ended up dropping 30% after that too. So enjoy this trade. Pick up my course, man. I'm going to teach you guys how I do this every single day, day in, day out. Not only that, guys, check this out right here. Okay, right here. This is how much I'm up for the month. I'm up $241,000 day trading this month and up $53,000 this week. And today I'm up $27,000 by itself, just 2 days in 24 hours. Bam, let's go. Enjoy the live trade, guys. Let's go. All right, guys, what's up? So we're live trading today. We're going to trade RSR. I believe that the 5 waves are in. So what I'm doing is DCing into my position very heavy right now. I believe that this is probably like the 5 waves somewhere in here, like that. And right now we're just trying to break back down. So 5 waves are most likely in, I think. You know, we're getting bearishly diverging RSI there. This looks like it could very well be in. This is my position. I'm down $12,000, but I was actually down $25,000 at first, but I DCA'd at the top. And right now I'm in a position for $620,000, down 10K. So we see that the peak of wave 3 is right around here, right? Right there. This is the peak of wave 3. It actually broke above it right over here. You can see it broke above it right there, right? But it bull trapped. It came back down, broke up above it again, came back down, broke up it again, and now we just basically can't stay above there. So I'm anticipating a drop down to that yellow line because we just can't seem to stay above there. And I think that it's going to make the head and shoulders pattern that normally ends up making. So this is going to be like a third, fourth, fifth, and then an ABC type of pattern that's very likely to form. Okay, so we're going to make, you know, maybe an A, a B, and a C. That's going to end up holding something like that. But this white line was very, very important. We can't break above it. So now I think that we're going to get to the neckline down over here to make the traditional head and shoulders. My entry is actually 18033. What I like to do is I like to draw my entry 18033 just so I know where my position actually is. 18033, right around here. So my entry is actually not far off right now. I think that we're literally just trying to break this over here, trying to break that yellow trend line. Once we do, it's probably gonna fly to the downside. Ooh, I'm very tired right now. I just finished working out. So just looking at everything from every perspective, I mean, the 15-minute is definitely trending downwards. The 5-minute is about to cross down now. So the low time frames and the high time frames are going down. See, the 15-minute, 20-minute is going down. The 30 minutes also going down. The 45-minute is on its way down already. So it just looks like there's nowhere for this to go except for down. So I think that in the next 1 hour or so, it's probably going to hit that target. Okay, here we go. We're basically at my break-even price now. Let's see if this prediction is going to come true. I firmly believe it's going to come true, where this is going to do something like that. So, yep, we just got to break below these resistance ranges. So this right here, you can see it's acting like a resistance in this kind of range right here as well. So that's very critical. So this whole box over here is acting as a support kind of. So I think if we, because of this region over here, you see? So if that ends up breaking downwards, it's gonna fly down. But of course it must break down first. So let's see. Very critical levels right now that it's at. But based off of all the momentum, so the 5-minute just crossed down now, but based off of every momentum, we're likely to head to the downside. The 45-minute candle closes in 37 minutes. This is a tweezer pair combination. So based off of price action, it's looking very bearish. So this is looking good for me. I'm now almost broken even. 18033. There we go, up $2,000. So looking decent. I mean, if we hit the lower trend line, I'll be up 5%. There we go, up 2K. Come on, give me a breakdown, baby. Let's go. It's getting closer and closer to this support trend line that I drew. I'm up only 900, not much. I'm very nervous because there's a chance for me to lose a tremendous amount of capital here. If we don't break down and we spike back up to 188, I mean 0.188, 0.0188, I'll be down, oops, 0.10188. I'm down $26,000 there. I don't like being down 26K. I missed my DCA ranges. I also missed my take profit originally as well. I didn't like that. So now I'm like hustling, trying to DCA further to get a good average price, right? So I'm like taking the chance and believing that it's actually the top. So this bias of mine must be right. Otherwise, I'm going to be fucked over. So I'm a little bit irritated tonight that I missed my take profit and my DCA ranges. Okay, so you can see the pressure now. We're at the lower support trend line of that yellow line. If this yellow line holds, I'm going to be very annoyed. So I'm up like 4K right now, but you know, I'm not happy with 4K because it could turn into a huge profit. But sometimes it's important to de-risk because it may not actually drop down. It may bounce, might make a higher high, might make an ending fifth wave diagonal. You just never know, man, in these types of markets. So it's critical to pay extra close attention to how these zones can react. And also we must remember that right here where we are, okay, this is a critical resistance that turns into a support. So this must break down. If it does not break down, there's going to be a really large rally to the upside and I'm going to be fucked. So critical moments coming up right now. Very critical. It looks more bearish than anything though, right? I mean, if you take a look at the highs over here, the high of this zone right there, right here, officially we have broken down yet, but we still have to break this lower support trend line. Once it breaks, it's gonna fly. Nope, the bulls just came back to the rescue, right? Let's look on the 2-minute time frame. 2-minute time frame looks very bearish right now. There's a lot of momentum. So let's look at the 5-minute time frame. The 5-minute looks like it's still going down, like 2 minutes going down. Every time frame still says it's going down right now, right? So let's see if it's gonna have the momentum to actually head down. We need this to break down hard right now. If we do, we're gonna make a tens and tens of thousands of dollars. It's going pretty well. We're up 7K. It's looking decent. Go, come on, break down. Break down. No, don't give me that candle. Motherfucker, fuck you. Fuck you. Seriously, fuck you, man. No, that's not the candle. Fuck, man. Pissed off tonight, seriously. I fucking missed my DCA range. I missed my take profit. I missed both of them. I was forced to DCA at a really shitty price to try to get a better average just so I can break even or take a little profit. It's not the way you should be trading, honestly. Look at that. There's a wick now. It's gonna probably bounce back up. Look, now there's a wick. It recovered. Fuck that, man. I'm pausing. I'll be back soon. I'm pissed off right now. Here we go. And another attempt to break down. That was a large rejection going up there. I'm telling you, this white line right there is a major resistance, man. It's a key player right now. If it can hold, it's going to break down. I'm swinging like crazy, man, on my position. Swinging like down 5,000, up 5K. I don't like that, man. I like to catch the top, you know? That's what I'm good at. I don't like DCing into really shitty positions. Let's just wait to see how that goes. Five minutes still down, 2 minutes still kind of down, 15 minutes down, 20 minutes down. That's a very ugly candle. This candle on the 20-minute is very ugly. That one right there. This one. See it? The doji, the evening star type candle. The 30-minute is also a very nasty kind of candle. It's a massively bearishly engulfing candle. I'm up 3,000, but the momentum just can't seem to break it down, you know? It just can't. Whenever there's this much resistance to go down, it usually doesn't go down. It usually goes up. So I don't like this position. It's one of those positions where just not liking it in any way at all. I mean, this could very well just be the beginning of another massive wave to the upside. So who fucking knows, man? I just don't like how I missed my take profit earlier, and my DCA ranges were so bad because I was just so busy. It didn't break down. In fact, it rejected going down hard. So now I think I'm fucked, to be honest. I mean, do you see it? Do you see this white line? This white line, it cannot break below it. It just simply cannot break below it. No matter what it does, No matter what happens, it just can't. It's tried now for literally how long? It's tried now for 1 hour and a half to break down. The open interest is still rising on the coin, so people are actually buying this fucking coin. Like after a rally, you know, of 116% in one day, people are actually still buying this coin. It's a very irritating coin to trade right now. It's definitely flipping now. The 1 minute chart is actually going upwards. The 2 minute chart's going up. The 3 minutes about to cross up on the MACD. The 5 minute chart's about to smash up. The 8 minute chart changed. 20 minutes still going down. 30 minutes still going down. 45 minute might wrap around and curve as well. So it needs to fall below like this white line so fucking badly. But I've seen so many times where these resistances get broken and then they act as such a strong support and it just never gets back down there because it just keeps going for a while. And also, I don't know if this wave count is actually right because the third wave doesn't look accurate to me. It doesn't look accurate because I can't seem to break it down. I don't see 5 waves in there at all. I don't know. I have no idea how this could even count as 5 waves. So to me, it's like guessing at best if this is an actual 5th wave. We need to get back down below these ranges, below 1.8, like that white line basically. That white line is imperative for us to get back below it. Like it must drop back below it. But as you can see, it's just fighting so hard right now. This is a stressful trade, man. It's an incredibly stressful trade. I don't like to be in a position that's $600,000 and there's indecision. Usually I like to be right away. I don't like having to wait in the middle of a trade to see if it's going to be right or not. It needs to go my way almost immediately to be the perfect trade. These kind of trades bring on a lot of stress and they're normally trades I wouldn't take. But the only reason I'm still in it is because I missed my take profit initially and I also missed my dollar cost average range. So then I was forced to buy at a really shitty price to DCA further to try to get a slightly better average to take on more risk and even more exposure in the market. It's not the kind of trade I normally take at all. All right, here we go. Another break attempt is coming up. Let's see if this is the one. It rejected going back up above that white line. So let's see now if it's going to try to come back down. Time will tell. See, the white line is very important because of these regions, that region, this region. But there's still this little cluster down over here of wicks. So it really needs to break about 178 to really fly down. So there's a lot of different price action points that are acting as a support right now. Also, if you notice, there are wicks going up every time. Bears try to sell, the bulls are popping up wicks. This is a very volatile coin. But now the market changed again. MACD is getting lower to the 0 line. It's popping down a little bit. The 3 minute actually continues down instead of up. The 5 minute continues down instead of up. The 8 minute is now going down. 15 minutes still down. 20 minutes still down. 30 minutes still down, I think. So yeah, 30 minutes down. 45 minute is going to close in 15 minutes. And these tweezer pair combinations are very powerful bearish candles. But the lower time frames need to stay very bearish. Otherwise, if the lower time frames don't stay bearish and don't keep that bearish momentum, if it gets bullish, what happens is it could start to flip to the higher time frames. And if the higher time frames start to they show both bearishness right now, the lower time frames can cascade to the higher time frames. So the pressure is really on right now for both ways actually. That was a fucking ridiculous. That was ridiculous. 2% movement up. That's so wild, man. Oh, we're trying to break it. We're trying to break it, guys. Let's see if there's going to be a wick. This is going to be a crazy fight, I'm telling you. It might look like it's going to break, but it might not break, you know. These happen like this. This is a wick right. Oh, 0.5% wick. You fucking cocksucker. fucking asshole. Every time it looks like it's gonna break, it doesn't. It's this range right here. I'm telling you, man. This range right there just doesn't have that momentum to smash, you know? It needs to smash. If it smashes, it's gonna be wild how much of a drop it is. Like, it's gonna drop like, you know, 5, 6. It's gonna drop like 6% straight down. Still not broken yet. Don't get too excited. I'm gonna be generous with this trend line because I'm not expecting it to break that easily. This is the coin that did 77% today. Actually, it did 114% today in less than 21 hours. So if it's gonna break big. Here we go. Here we go. Another attempt. Another attempt. Another attempt. Come on. All right, elite group. This is what's going on right now. Okay, there's possibly 5 waves right now that are in already. Okay, it might make your classical head and shoulders pattern. See the classical head and shoulders pattern? I think that it might drop extremely hard soon. Ah, fuck, I missed you guys. It might drop extremely hard soon to this lower trend line over here. Okay? So fuck, man, I didn't have enough time. I gotta send this right now. All right, so it's looking decent right now. I mean, it's just reaching these low ranges right over here. These low ranges held for 2 hours, so there might be some support in the short term. Long term, I don't know if it's gonna hold, but you know, we're getting definitely a lot of pressure to hold up that particular territory right now. I don't like that pressure in any way, and I'm up a good amount. So it pisses me off that I'm still in this trade, to be honest. I don't like it at all in any way. But you got to keep your original bias and understand that this right here, it ended up breaking. Therefore, it should continue to drop to the downside. And this little region should not act as much of a support as we believe. So I'm going to follow that bias of mine and assume that there's just a small consolidation period and it will most likely eventually drop down. Either that or fucking I'm fucked. Like, it's one or the other. Or it's either that or this right here is going to hold. You know, this stupid ass white line is going to hold. And then we're going to end up fucking rallying to the upside. You know, because it's not done yet. That one or the other. But now you can see that it's consolidating in a way that is like a tweezer pair combination that's actually bullish. So let's just see if this is going to drop down. There we go. Pumping it. Okay, we're good. We're good. Come on, just break that region right here. Just break that region, man. Just fucking smash it, bro. Fucking smash it. Give me a smash. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck, man. Piss me off. This coin's pissing me off, man. Because it just goes crazy, this coin. You know, like we're talking about like a 100% rally, you know? So, and there's so much pressure to be held up. Like, it just doesn't want to drop. It's one of those coins that I fucking hate trading. And I should never be in a position this big. Ugh, it makes me so fucking mad, this coin. So now I'm literally debating on getting out of this coin because I'm getting anxiety. I have massive anxiety being in a $600,000 short position in a coin that has moved up 100% today. It's not a good position to be in. So because of that, I'm probably going to take my profit soon. If I break even, I break even. So be it. Let's just continue to see how this goes and believe in my original thesis of how we're at the top. And this is probably going to go down now. If that white line drops, we're going to hit the yellow line. So let's just see how this is going to trend. Let's see if this is going to be a break attempt. The bears are definitely attacking right now based off of this consolidation pattern. The only reason we're holding right now is because of this region. as you can see right there, this region, right? That's the only reason we're holding. There's no other reason why we're holding. So 2 doji candles in a row, 1 hammer type candle, a tweezer pair combination is coming in the 5-minute time frame, which is considered bullish. So if this ends up holding for the next 3 minutes, it's probably going to end up holding. So the bears need to really attack right now. They need to put some pressure on hard. They need to really break this stupid ass support zone. But nope, fucking nope. It didn't hold. The bears are losing now. All of my profits are fucking wiped out because of a bad decision to see what's gonna happen. Literally all of my profits are wiped out now. Like every fucking dollar. So it tries to get back into the trend line. Let's see what happens here. Okay, it literally tries to get back in right here. The trend line that broke through it. This one right there tries to get back in. This is a very intense trade, man. It requires a tremendous amount of analysis. See this? It tries to get back in, but it rejects for now. If it gets back in, fuck, it's gonna be disastrous. So this is really the real resistance when you think about it, like this white line up there, right? The bears are trying to get back above. So this, you can say, creates like a double resistance, right? So maybe it'll hold really well. Maybe this is just a small consolidation pattern that goes up there, then it's going to tank back down. But the 1 minute actually shows bullishness now. The 5 minutes still going down, you know, every 45, let's see. 45 is so far off, man. It's like 2 minutes away. So like this needs to drop, man. Like it needs to fucking drop. This coin is hard to trade. It's testing me like to the maximum amount. I have not been tested on a coin like this in a very long time. If you guys want to learn how to trade like me, man, it's all about the mental game, I'm telling you. The mental game, that's what it's all about. If you are fortifying your mind and you're able to withstand this kind of pressure, you are going to do very well, guys. You know, in my newest course, I teach all about that. I spend like 3-4 hours on the mental side of trading. There's the Cyber Monday sale. You guys need to pick it up. It's normally like 650 bucks. It's on sale right now, 60% off to $250. You're going to get my 20-hour course. You're going to get my advanced volatility scanner to find coins to trade just like this. I'm telling you, it's going to be the best investment that you can make to learn how to trade, but more importantly, learn my strategies, learn about the mental side of trading that not many people talk about. Just check out the link below, man. If you're not happy with it, I'll offer you a 100% refund because that's how confident I am about my abilities to trade. Back to the trade, guys. So I'm up about 10K right now. Right now, they're still finding pressure to come down. Let's see if it's going to come down. So this is a very critical moment because you have to decide if it's going to break back up or if you are forced to take your profit, right? And you have to decide where the resistances are. The resistance is right here, the white and the yellow line. Okay, I'm going to draw it for you guys. Right here, the white and the yellow line. The white line is the resistance from this particular range right here, okay? Right there. Actually, all the way back. So that's a strong resistance, right? So that's a strong resistance. The next resistance is the yellow line. The yellow line formed a higher low slope trend line for 1.5 hours. So because it formed a higher low, it now acts as a double resistance with the previous white line that I showed you. So because of this, it's a strong resistance where it showed that it just failed trying to get back up to. Therefore, because it failed, it can do one of two things or three things. It can attempt again to get back up, or it's just going to start breaking down now. And in my opinion, it's more likely to break down than to hold the position or to go sideways. So there's a lot of momentum and pressure heading to the downside right now. I think that it's going to smash down, guys. Once it smashes down, I'm going to market execute my position and it's going to be voila, and we're done. And I'm done trading today. I'm going to cool down my account, right? But I don't like the way that it's looking. I just generally don't like this coin and the unexpected nature of it due to how volatile it has been all day. So because it's been extremely volatile all day, we're talking about, you know, like 100% move upwards in the past 21 hours. It's not a coin exactly you want to be in. So you have to make a massive decision on whether you should just take your profit and get the fuck out or not, right? That's so important and critical. But if you wait, there's a chance for this to spike up like crazy and you'll wipe out all of your profits. But also if you wait, there's a chance for you to have a large drop to the downside. So the decision needs to be made right now. And now I'm gonna see how this is gonna react a little bit longer. And fuck yeah, I made the right decision. Yes, yes, oh my God. I'm out of this trade. I'm out of this trade for $24,000. Fuck yeah. Ugh! Ugh! Oh, that felt so fucking good to take that trade. Oh, man. Fuck me, man. That felt good. I took a loss earlier just to make this win. So I took in $21,000. Damn right. Lost 3,700, but look at my last two trades that I took in 12,000 earlier. So today I made $32,000 minus about 4K. So today I'm up about I'm up a lot. I'm up $28,000 today. Let's fucking go. I'm done. Bam! Yo guys, like, you gotta see what just happened after I took that $20,000 profit. This is what happened. Okay? This is what happened. A fucking 20% move upwards. 21% move up. 21% move up. You would have been wrecked. Look at this. It's still going. Look at this. You guys got to see this. You guys got to see this now. It's going up. It's at 26% up. So if you were leveraged in a short position more than 5, you would have been wrecked. If you don't have the skills that Philakone Crypto has, I took my profit because there's a chance. Do you guys understand my logic? Why I took my fucking profit? I took my profit because I said to you guys so many times that you don't fuck around with the coin that's moved 100% in 21 hours. If you fuck around, you'll find out. And that's why I took my profit at $21,000, right? At 3%, 3.5% profit. I'm like, fuck it, I'm done. I'm out. I don't need more than that. And that takes a tremendous amount of skill and discipline to be able to do something like that. So that's why, guys, in my latest course, I'm going to show you guys it right here, okay? This is going to blow your mind what I teach you guys. This $250 course. Oh, Philakone, why do you even sell content if you make so much money day trading? Guys, because my content is valuable and is worth it, man. I'm telling you, that's why. Because I want to help people. I'm not going to make it free. Things that are too good cannot be free, okay? You guys see you guys see introduction to trading right here? This here is all about the psychology of trading. Okay, I literally go into all of chapter number 1. It's like 6 hours of just going through the mental side of trading so you can understand why I'm able to take profits like this, why I can control my greed. Just imagine for a moment if I was a greedy asshole and I decided to stay in that fucking trade, guys. It's gone up 52% now. 52% it just went up. And this coin has a $1.3 billion volume. The whales that are at play are bigger than you and I and everybody you know and in my life combined. The amount of volume that this took to move this much, okay? I'm gonna calculate it for you guys. It's 5.45 billion. Okay, let's just do the math right now. 5,490,000,000 times 0.0236. $130 million was just injected into this coin right here in the last 5 minutes. That is how you get fucking wrecked. But you know what? You take my course, I promise you that you're gonna learn a lot of the vital skills that are necessary to avoid bullshit like this, guys. And guys, check this out. I linked this to my Discord group. This is my P&L for the month, day trading. I'm up $241,000 in the last 30 days, just day trading alone. And today I'm up $27,000. Bam, guys. That's how you avoid getting fucked. See you guys in the course, man.